Welcome, in this video I'm going to show you how you can send gifts to your friends in League of Legends. First of all, we have to open the store. Next, we have to select this option, the gifting center. And in this place, we can input nickname of our friend manually, just like that, or simply select from this list. Next, we will be moved to another step. Here you can find every type of gifts that you can send to your friend, and in most cases people simply unlock skins, so you can send the mystery skin or the exact skin. So let's pick, for example, this option, and right now we can pay with the riot points. As you can see, in my case I have only 49, so I'm unable to buy any of the skins in this game, but if you have enough, we can get, for example, this Ezreal and just click on it, and after that you will send the gift to your friend. And if you want to go back, for example, you misclick right here, you don't want to send the exact skin, you just want to send the mystery skin, you can just click here and then get the mystery skin, but in my case not working because I don't have the riot points. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.